The Hong Kong protests have occurred because of disputes over how the chief executive is chosen. It is written in the Constitution of Hong Kong that the chief executive is to be chosen by the people, but China is having an elite group of businessmen choose a pool of candidates for the country of Hong Kong to vote on. Some upset students began to crowd the streets and block transportation. The police of Hong Kong drove them away with pepper spray, but this act just added to the number of people participating in the protest. People began to bring umbrellas to protect against pepper spray or tear gas. The numbers began to grow. This is why the protest is sometimes known as the Umbrella Revolution. The number of people protesting continued to skyrocket. The protesting was causing an unease within China because of the instability of Hong Kong. The police continued to try to get control of the protesting. The protesters began to call for new leadership in Hong Kong. They asked the current and, at the time, chief executive Leung Chun-ying to resign. This was because of his inability to give the citizens of Hong Kong full voting rights. The protesting in Hong Kong eventually was resolved after 3 long months of protesting, transportation holdup, and conflict. The police were finally able to control it, and more than 30 people were arrested. The Chinese government was overjoyed at the resolving of this conflict. The Chinese government is a communist government, a government that controls much of its counterparts. Giving Hong Kong voting rights would mean losing control of something that they have control of. This is why the Chinese were happy that the conflict was finally put away.